In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge your D drive with your C drive. Now, before we start, it's important to note that if you do have any data on this D drive that you want to keep, then you will need to make a backup of this or copy the files over to your C drive. So you can see at the moment on my screen that I have these two drives. One of them's a C drive and the other one is this D drive. So if you want to merge both of these together, what you need to do is come over to your start menu and just search for the word partition. And then from here, click on create and format hard disk partitions. So down here, you'll notice we have both the C drive and the D drive. And all we're going to do is right click on the D drive and select delete volume. Then you'll get this security message pop up. Just click yes. Now you can see we have all of this space unallocated. And what you need to do is right click on your C drive, click on extend volume, click on next. Make sure you have your disk selected like so, and then click next again. And finally click finish. And as you can see, this is now merged into one. So if I head back over to my computer and if I refresh the screen, you can see now we just have our one C drive. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.